Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wanted to feel more in control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Today, we're unlocking the essentials of personal finance and money management. I'm excited to guide you through proven strategies that can help you make confident money decisions, no matter your starting point. You'll find my LinkedIn if you want to connect or ask questions after the presentation. Let's dive into what you'll learn today. Here's our roadmap for this session. We'll introduce the core concepts of money management and why they matter. Then I'll share effective budgeting tips and best practices for real-life results. And next, we'll cover how to save smarter every day, no matter your income. We'll discuss how to build reliable emergency funds so you're always prepared. Understanding your credit score comes next, with simple explanations and actionable advice. We'll talk about common financial pitfalls and, most importantly, how to avoid them. And finally, we'll pull it all together with a quick recap and next steps. Let's get started by taking a bigger picture look at personal finance. Personal finance is much more than dollars and cents. It's a lifelong skill set. Mastering money helps you make sound decisions and gives you the confidence to pursue your goals. By building habits like thoughtful budgeting, purposeful saving, and understanding how credit works, anyone can make steady progress toward financial success, regardless of their age or career phase. And remember, you don't have to change everything overnight. Practical, bite-sized steps and proven methods make a real difference, helping you build momentum, stay focused, and reduce the stress that comes with handling money. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to strengthen your long-term plans, you'll find something helpful today. So, what makes these methods work? Let's see how simple, actionable tactics can fit into every stage of life. Lasting financial security comes from habits you can actually stick with. That means building up easy, actionable ways to manage your money, no matter where you are on your journey. These strategies create a strong foundation, helping you bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. Everyone can benefit from a few simple, consistent routines. Think of them as building blocks for a lifetime of financial wellness. With that in mind, let's zero in on one of the keystones of money management: effective budgeting. Budgeting isn't just about tracking every penny. It's a shift in your mindset. It's about building discipline and finding a system that works for you. Regularly check your progress, reward yourself for hitting targets, and let yourself adjust as your circumstances and goals change. Flexibility is key. Tech is your friend here. Budgeting apps can make expense tracking and savings goals automatic. They deliver reminders and recommendations personalized to your situation, making it easier to stay on track. And remember, there isn't just one right way to budget. Zero-based budgeting, envelope systems, or simple category tracking, choose what matches your personality and needs. The best method is the one you'll stick with, so don't be afraid to experiment and adapt. Let's break down 3 top tactics to turn budgeting from a chore into second nature. Here are the 3 pillars that set smart budgeting apart. First, harness the power of budgeting apps like Mint, Inab, or PocketGuard. These tools help you visualize your progress, alert you to issues, and make corrections before you get off track. They're particularly helpful for busy schedules. Second, consider zero-based budgeting. Instead of just spending what's left over, you give every dollar a job, from essentials to savings to a little fun. This helps you spot and eliminate waste, making sure your money aligns with your goals. Third, track everything. Diligently noting income and expenses gives you a crystal-clear sense of your financial flow. It helps you catch overspending early, so you can make tweaks before small leaks become big headaches. By focusing on these 3 areas, you'll empower yourself to make mindful, confident choices every single day. Let's transition now from planning your spending to growing your savings, one step at a time. Daily savings strategies can make a world of difference, and anyone can use them. Let's look at 4 to get you started. First, saving apps take the hassle out of saving. They automate deposits, track your goals, and give you custom tips for momentum. It's like having a coach in your pocket, holding you accountable and cheering you on. Next up, savings hacks. These are small tricks like rounding up your purchases and saving the difference, or splitting one-time windfalls between spending and savings. Celebrate your progress. Small wins add up and keep you moving toward bigger milestones. Then there's cashback and rewards. Use loyalty cards, shop with cashback programs, and always look for digital coupons to reduce your everyday spending. These strategies let you save without feeling deprived. Finally, automate your savings transfers. Set up regular, manageable deposits, even a few dollars a week. When your savings grow invisibly in the background, you're less likely to miss the money or get off track. Smart saving is about blending technology and small habits for big results. Here's a simple, systematic path to consistent saving. Step 1. Automate savings. Set recurring transfers to a dedicated savings account. By putting your savings on autopilot, you ensure saving comes first, not last. Step 2. Earn more, spend less. Make the most of cashback, loyalty programs, and strategic shopping. The little savings from smarter spending help you reach your goals faster. Step 3. Habit building. Even if you start small, like saving $5 each week, stick with it. As your habits grow stronger and your income rises, increase your savings. Over time, those small steps turn into big progress. Building a saving routine provides security and peace of mind. Next, let's talk about why and how to set up an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your personal safety net. Before you build one, consider its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths. A separate account keeps funds safe for real emergencies and gives you security. Aim for 3 to 12 months of living expenses so you're ready for anything. Weaknesses. It can take time to build your fund, and the temptation to dip into it for almost emergencies is real. So stay strong. Opportunities. Use interest-bearing accounts and set up automated deposits. This not only grows your savings but makes sticking to your plan easier. Threats. Major expenses, like unexpected bills or a sudden loss of income, can quickly drain your fund. And as prices rise with inflation, the value of your cash can shrink. So keep this in mind when choosing where to keep your money. Now, let's turn these insights into action with a clear, 4-stage plan for emergency funds. Building a reliable emergency fund is a process, but it's absolutely worth it. Start. Open a dedicated account set aside just for emergencies. Schedule regular transfers and stick to them. Even small contributions build the habit. Build. Begin with a target of 1 month's expenses, then gradually increase your goal as you become more comfortable. Ultimately, try to save enough for 3 to 12 months for the best security. Review your fund at least once a year. Only withdraw for true emergencies, and if you do need to use it, prioritize replenishing it ASAP. Optimize. Store your emergency funds in a safe, interest-earning account, like a high-yield savings account, to keep up with inflation and let your safety net grow over time. A well-funded emergency account helps shield you from life surprises. Next, let's explore why your credit score matters and how you can make it work for you. Credit scores, one of the most talked about yet misunderstood elements of personal finance. Many of us fall for common myths. Ever heard that carrying a balance helps your score or that your salary is factored in? Unfortunately, that's not true. To make real progress, shift your focus to what actually works. Responsible credit management means paying on time, keeping your balances low, and checking your reports for errors. Steer clear of services promising to fix your credit overnight. There are no shortcuts. Why does your score matter so much? Quite simply, it unlocks or limits your financial options. With a strong score, you'll qualify for lower interest rates, better loan offers, and premium credit cards. But lasting results only come through discipline and consistent good habits, not tricks. Now that you understand some common pitfalls, let's break down what truly goes into your credit score and how you can take control. Diving deeper, it's important to separate myth from fact when it comes to credit scoring. Remember, your income isn't even considered in your credit score. And while applying for credit can help build your history, doing so repeatedly in a short span actually drags down your score because of what's called hard inquiries. Focus on what really matters. Always paying your bills on time, keeping balances low across all your cards, and managing debt responsibly. And don't forget to check your credit reports regularly. These reports track your financial behavior over time, and errors or fraud can lower your score without your knowledge. It's wise to review them at least once a year and dispute any mistakes right away. Mastering these habits gives you greater flexibility for the future and opens doors to more and better financial opportunities. Moving forward, let's take a more holistic view of your financial health by applying a simple, powerful framework: SWOT analysis. Analyzing your financial health isn't just about numbers. It's about being honest with yourself. The SWOT method helps you see the full picture: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to your financial well-being. Let's highlight your strengths first. Automating savings and bill payments, for instance, turns discipline into a routine, lifting a huge weight off your shoulders. As for weaknesses, perhaps you're prone to impulsive spending or tend to ignore financial check-ins. These little lapses can add up over time and knock your plans off track. Opportunities often come from leveraging technology. Budgeting apps can alert you to unusual spending. Monthly reviews help you course-correct before little problems become big ones. And making a habit of learning about finance ensures you're always moving forward. But threats lurk too. Emergencies, whether personal or medical, or simply losing track of paper statements, can lead to confusion and setbacks. By recognizing these areas early, you create a roadmap for stability and growth. Now let's see how to turn mistakes into stepping stones for future success. We all stumble on our financial journey. Maybe you've spent on impulse, let your credit slip, or skipped putting aside savings for a while. It happens. The important thing is what you do next. Today, technology and new habits can transform yesterday's drawbacks into tomorrow's strengths. Automated budgeting and savings tools can help rein in spending, spot errors, and make sure you're building that safety net every month. Got an unexpected expense? With a plan in place, it's much less stressful. Targeted savings and smarter money management not only cushion you from shocks but help you invest in your future, big or small. Each time you correct a mistake, you're growing your financial confidence and strengthening those good money habits. To wrap up, let's tie all these lessons together with enduring personal finance principles for lifelong success. As we wrap up, remember, mastering personal finance isn't a one-time event, but an ongoing journey. By applying even a few of today's strategies, like structured budgeting, automatic saving, building a safety net, understanding credit, and avoiding common dangers, you'll set yourself up for a far more secure and confident financial future. No matter your starting point, each positive money decision today brings you closer to your goals tomorrow. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to reach out for support or adapt your plan as your life changes. Success in personal finance is about progress, not perfection. Thank you for joining this session on Money Management Essentials. Take these tips, put them into action, and watch as your efforts compound over time. Here's to your financial health and to building the future you want.